Hi guys, welcome. Nice to see you here. If you want to know how to invest in the stock market, this is right place. This will be the short video about how to make your own investment in the stock market fast and easily. I believe that you know something about stock market and about shares of different companies. So in that case, I want to show you the way, I want to show you the technology, I want to show you the platform that allows you to buy shares of different companies easily and just literally with a couple clicks. First you need to pass the registration via the link that you can find in the description panel of this video. And I'm using this platform. I used to try almost all of them. And I believe that this is the best issue, this is the best opportunity in the market. So be my guest, use my link. We'll show you my portfolio. I have something right here in my portfolio, the Tesla, for example, Netflix, that is falling down right now, Slack, Rand Bank, etc., and couple companies. I will buy the shares of couple companies at the time of opening of this asset, because right now the market is closed. Because this is official stock market, and the platform needs to be on the market and needs to be absolutely clear, and give you the opportunity to buy real shares, the real companies. So what is the stock market? You know all about the stock market, I believe. Let's see what's happening on the stocks. You can find plenty of companies to invest in. What you should do, you should just press right here in the left top corner. There's options like binary and digital, forex market, and the stocks. You should go to the stocks and choose the company that you want to invest in. For example, you know that some company will make new technology, for example, or new startup, or new actions on the market, or Rolls-Royce, for example, or Starbucks. It's always growing, etc., etc. So you can choose literally any company. Let's see what's happening with the Boeing. Everybody knows this company. This is huge, big company that making planes and etc. So why not? Why not to buy the stocks, the shares of this company? I believe it's gonna go down a little bit. Let's make $500 investment, for example, and press the sell. Asset is closed right now, but you can make your purchases literally anytime, 24/7, and your action will be like real when the market will open. Let's see what's happening with other companies. For example, Beyond Meat made 3% of growth right now, right in this place. There's a couple ways. In next videos, I will explain how to use different methods and how to use different types of trading. I like the swing trading, and I like buy and hold method. So, for example, I don't know, let's buy multiplier 10, for example, and let's press buy button. Pending position created. It will market opening price. Position will be executed automatically as soon as the specified asset becomes available. That's it. That's it, guys. If you start investing right now, you're gonna see the profit in literally couple weeks, couple days. For example, a couple of days ago, I bought shares of a Tesla company. and it made a huge grow, this huge grow right here, the vertical grow, and it gave me 1,394 bucks for the moment. And when this asset will be available, I can close the position, and I can sell my shares with a bigger price that it was when I was buying it. That's it. That's literally it. There's no difficulties with investment. You can of course buy and hold, and I am also using this method, and it gives me the profit. So I hope that this information was useful for you. Please, kindly asking you to subscribe to my channel and press the ring button to not to miss all my new videos. And if you're interested in this issue, get more information, get more experience, and to make that, press the link under this video, pass the free, absolutely free registration on this platform, and it will give you opportunity to make your investment easily 24/7 and literally in a couple clicks. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and bye.